Hello friends, welcome to Cook with Asimi. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this flaky, delicious fish roll. And it's not really hard, so let's start with how to make it. In a bowl, you're going to measure out your flour. So for this recipe, I'll be using 3 cups of flour. Then I'm going to sieve the flour to remove any debris. Then I'll be adding salt for taste. Mix it together. Then I'm going to add baking powder. I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder to this. Mix it together. Then nutmeg for that flavor and taste. It enriches it. And then sugar for sweetness. You understand? So that's 2 tablespoons of sugar. The measurement will be in the description box. So I'm going to add margarine, or you can add butter. Mix everything together till it forms breadcrumb like, and then I'm going to add 1 egg into the dry ingredient. Then also add water because we are about to knead this dough. So you just mix everything together until it is well incorporated. But you can see in this video that the water is not enough, so I'm adding. Please make sure you add your water bit by bit because you don't want your dough to be too soft. You want it to be perfect. So I'll add the last batch of water, mix it well, and then knead the dough. You can see that to make fish roll dough is actually the easiest for any pastry. Very easy. You just have to take care about the water quantity you are going to add. So I'll just knead this dough until it is elastic. Then I'm just going to cover for 10 minutes. And then this is the fish cleaned. I'll be adding seasoning powder. Then I'm going to add salt. So I added oil because I don't want this fish to break in the pot. So that's the tip. If you are boiling fish, just add a little bit of oil. So I'm just going to mix everything together. Please don't skip this process. So season your fish well so that your filling will have a really good taste. So you can see that the fish is whole in the pot. I just boiled this for 5 minutes and it was done. So I'm going to debone the fish. And I noticed this type of fish, the hairy fish, it has a lot of bones in it. So if you want to do your own, please make sure you debone properly, that there are no bones in it. Thank you so much. So after deboning, you shred your fish into smaller pieces. And when you get to this point, it's ready. Then this is the pepper I'm using, and then I'm just going to put hot oil in a frying pan, add onion, and then we're just going to add the pepper. I blended this, but it was rough blending. And when you make yours, don't limit yourself to just pepper and onions as I did in this video. I actually just preferred this. You can add carrots, you can add other vegetables to give it an uplifting taste. Be creative with yours. So I'll fry this till the water content in the pepper gets dry. You're just going to saute this on fire. Then I'm going to add seasoning powder, which is Maggi, and then add salt for this taste. So after that, I'm going to add a little bit of curry and a little bit of thyme. Not too much, not too little, just a minimal amount so that it will not overpower the filling. So you can see that this pepper is actually really dry. I'm now going to add the shredded fish. You can see how beautiful this filling is looking like. So you're just going to fry it. Make sure everything incorporated it. You can see how it looks like it has incorporated with the pepper well, and that is ready. So we're just going to prep our dough. I'm going to put this on a cutting board, flour the surface of the cutting board, then divide this into equal amounts. So I divided this into equal amounts, and then I'm going to stretch out this dough because we're about to make our fish roll. And fish roll is very easy. Is that you make a side really thin and the other side that you're going to add the filling to be wider. So you understand, the other edge is thinner than the other side, you are going to add your filling. So there is enough space for you to just roll it. Now that I've gotten a perfect shape, we're now going to add the fish filling. You can see the pepper mixed with the fish, how it has incorporated with each other. So if you've reached this point of the video, please like this video, comment and subscribe to the channel. I'm promising you great content. I'm not joking. This Christmas period is me and you. I have so much content for you people, so please subscribe to this channel so you don't roll it to the end, because we need a seal. So that's just water and flour that I mixed together, and then I'm just going to roll it. So that will act as a seal, so that if you are frying, your fish roll will not open. Please don't miss this process. So just water and flour to make this paste, and you just roll over your fish roll and it will add as a gum. You can see, perfect. So now that we have made the fish roll dough, we are now going to move on to the next stage, which is frying. So in a pot, I'm going to add oil. Ensure it is hot before I add my fish roll dough into it. So you can see this is actually deep frying and it's medium heat. Please ensure your oil is not too hot so that your fish roll will not burn, and also the dough inside will cook properly. Do you understand? You don't want to eat raw dough, so you have to take your time with really frying. You ensure you flip it over, that each sides will become cooked enough or fried enough. So as you can see in the video, it's becoming brown. When it's this brown, it's enough. So you just pack it. You can see the color. Look at that golden brown color. I'm not joking when I say this fish roll was really good. So I'll just put it on a paper towel to soak up excess oil from it. And there you have it, your flaky, delicious, soft fish roll. It was so good. This was finished in one sitting. It didn't even remain till the next day. So please ensure you make this for your family and your friends during this festive period. Thank you.